Struggling with weight loss and fed up with complicated diets? The secret is simpler than you think. Whole foods. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how you can shed those stubborn pounds by eating natural, delicious foods that fuel your body and help you lose weight fast. Let's dive in. The biggest issue with most diets? They're filled with processed junk, hidden sugars, and chemicals that do more harm than good. But here's the good news. Whole foods are your answer. These foods are nutrient-rich, low in calories, and leave you feeling satisfied while melting away fat. Before we jump into the specifics of weight loss, let's break down what whole foods really are and why they're so powerful. Whole foods are foods in their most natural state: fresh vegetables, fruits, lean meats, whole grains, without preservatives or additives. Imagine eating foods that are simple, nourishing, and exactly what your body craves. Now that we've defined what whole foods are, let's dive into the exciting part: how these foods can help you lose weight fast. Here's the magic of whole foods. They're packed with fiber, lower in calories, and keep you fuller for longer. That's the perfect recipe for maintaining a calorie deficit, which is key to rapid weight loss. Plus, they boost your metabolism, balance your blood sugar, and prevent those cravings that derail diets. But knowing this is only half the battle. Let me show you how to turn this knowledge into action with a simple 3-day meal plan. Ready to kickstart your journey? Here's a quick, easy 3-day whole foods meal plan that you can follow to see results fast. Day 1. Start with a veggie omelette for breakfast, have a quinoa salad for lunch, and wrap up with grilled chicken and roasted veggies for dinner. Day 2. Oatmeal topped with berries, a hearty vegetable soup for lunch, and salmon with leafy greens for dinner. Day 3. Smoothie for breakfast, a lean protein wrap for lunch, and a veggie-packed stir-fry for dinner. It's really that simple, but don't just take my word for it. Listen to this amazing transformation story. I used to feel stuck with my weight until I switched to whole foods. In just 1 month, I lost 10 pounds, and I've never felt better. It wasn't about deprivation, it was about eating real, nourishing foods that my body loved. Such inspiring results, right? But that's not all. There are even more incredible benefits of whole foods that will help you lose weight and feel amazing. So, why do whole foods work so well for weight loss? They naturally reduce inflammation, keep your gut healthy, and provide essential nutrients that help your body burn fat and build lean muscle. The trick is to stay consistent with these healthy choices to maximize these benefits. And that's what we'll explore next. Let's be real. Losing weight fast isn't just about a one-time fix. Whole foods make it easy to stay consistent because they keep you full, focused, and satisfied without the feeling of restriction. It's about creating a sustainable mindset. By sticking to whole foods, you're not just losing weight, you're building healthy habits that last. Now that you know how whole foods can transform your body and help you lose weight fast, it's time to take action. Hit that subscribe button for more simple tips on transforming your health. And before you go, drop a comment with your favorite whole food recipe. I'd love to hear from you.